Services Industries that's doing a national rollout of fantastic high quality refill water as well as retail water to the whole Pick n Pay group. Ozone Services Industries has been going for 18 years and we brought ozone to this country. And just to explain the process briefly to you, we got the first stage where our water comes in from a municipal feed into our pre-filtration. The pre-filtration firstly is carbon and a 5-micron elemental filtration. What that does is the carbon removes all elemental TDS because it's a hungry particle. It's only got 4 electrons and it wants to have 8 electrons to become stable. So it bonds with anything that's all the impurities that are in the water that are elements to become 8 to become stable. Once it is saturated, we take out the carbon block and we replace it with a new one. Let's move on to our system. Alright, welcome back. This is the system that we use. Currently there are very few systems in South Africa that have this type of quality. Let me explain the process. The water comes in through the pre-filtration section that we just had. It comes in through more pre-filtration, which has got granular activated carbon, more carbon filtration, and 1-micron elemental filtration. Then what happens? It gets pushed through this pump over here, which is a Grundforce pump, pressurizing the water to such an extent that it gets pumped into the membranes, which are 0.001 micron. H2O is the smallest stable compound that exists, so it splits everything else that's not H2O from the H2O. It's essentially reverse osmosis, taking water from a high density to a low density, the low density being only H2O. So what happens from there is it gets reintroduced through our flow meters, and then it comes around, and this is where some more magic happens. This is called a blending process, where we reintroduce some more minerals into the water to balance out the low pH effects of reverse osmosis. From this system, it goes into our storage tanks. From our storage tanks, we've got a rainbow timer, which every 2 hours circulates ozone through the tank, sterilizing, disinfecting the water. What happens with ozone after a while, it has what you call a half-life. So it settles out into 3 times more oxygen. That is amazing for you because your blood needs oxygen to transport minerals from your diet to all your organs and to the rest of your body. Doctors recommend ozone for patients with low immune systems. So that's cancer patients, TB, AIDS. And this system is built by Ozone Services Industries, and it's supplied widely to many franchises and many other water companies to input water, ozone into the water system. So then from here, the whole process is complete, and we've got some high quality H2O. People, this water is healthy for you. It's 90 cents a liter to refill. Bring your containers to Pick n Pay, refill the water. You can also buy 5 liters of Gofill Health water for only R9.80. For 10 liters of Gofill Health water, you only pay R19.80. These prices are unbeatable, the quality is unbeatable, and as you know, Pick n Pay, they only use the best equipment. This is equipment that no other people are using to purify your water.